Hi guys, today I'm back with another quick craft. This one is more earrings. I love making earrings. And I have this mold here of these beautiful flower shapes. Now this one here looks a bit different, so I thought why not try that one today. So I have mixed up some UV resin because I'm doing it as a quick craft. If I wanted a more durable PR, I would use epoxy resin, so just keep that in mind, but I'm going to use UV resin because it's so quick. And I have added to that clear UV resin a favorite glitter of mine called Sirius Black from Glitter Overload. It is a purpley blue with gold shimmer. It is a really pretty glitter mix. So all I'm going to do is try and carefully fill up this mold and then we'll cure it. Okay, I'm just going to get my little toothpick and I'm just going to run this all around the edges just to make sure that there are no air bubbles, especially at these little points here. But one of the tricks is before you put it under the UV lamp, just have a look at it from this side. So just put it above your head, have a look, and just see if you can see any air bubbles from the other side before you cure it. That's a trick, so you're not wasting UV resin all the time. Okay, so I'm going to drag over my UV lamp now, and I'm going to put this under for 2 minutes this side, and while it's still in the mold, I'm going to flip it over and just hit it with the UV lamp again for another 2 minutes on that side, and I'll be back. Okay, so that's just had 2 minutes each side. And wow, how sparkly and pretty is that? Okay, so I'm just going to go and clean up these edges with this little knife here. And then I'm going to grab a hook and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, a finished product. So obviously I've had to make another one so that we can have matching earrings. But gosh, isn't that glitter so pretty and such a quick, easy craft with the UV resin. So I've just added a little jump ring there and the hook, and they're ready to wear. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.